In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete contacts in WhatsApp. If you've ever wanted to clean up your WhatsApp list or remove someone you no longer need in your contacts, I will walk you through the exact process step by step. Keep in mind, when you delete a contact this way, you are removing them from your phone's address book too, not just from WhatsApp. So proceed only if you are sure you don't want that contact saved on your device anymore. Start by opening WhatsApp and making sure you are on the Chats tab. This is where all your conversations live. From here, you have two easy ways to find the person you want to remove. You can tap the new chat button to search for their name, or if you already have a conversation with them, simply open that existing chat. Once you are in their chat, tap the contact's name at the very top of the screen. That opens the contact info page, which gives you quick access to their details. Now look for the menu button, usually shown as 3 dots in the top corner. Tap it and choose View Contact or View in Address Book. This takes you to the version of the contact stored in your phone's Contacts app. On some devices, you might see a Direct View Contact option inside WhatsApp. On others, you'll be routed to your phone's address book screen. Either is fine. On the contact card, tap the 3 dots again and choose Edit. This opens the editable contact details. From there, tap the 3 dots one more time and select Delete Contact Confirm when prompted. The exact wording of these options can vary a bit depending on your device, but the flow is the same. Open the contact, go to Edit, then Delete. After you confirm, that person is removed from your phone's address book, and WhatsApp will reflect that change. Your chat history with them is not automatically deleted, so the conversation may still appear in your Chats tab, often showing just their phone number instead of a name. If you want to clear that conversation, you can do that separately from the chat screen. But deleting the chat is optional and not required for removing the contact. Also remember, deleting a contact doesn't block them. If they still have your number, they can message you unless you choose to block them. That's it. Thanks for watching.